Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for honest and thorough product reviews. Today, we have something special in store for all the photography enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a deep dive into the KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2, a rugged and waterproof digital camera with optical zoom. Now, before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Let's get started. The KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 is more than just a camera. It's your ideal companion for adventure and photography. Here are its key features. Waterproof. The WPZ2 can withstand depths of up to 15 meters, making it perfect for underwater photography and snorkeling. So, whether you're at the beach or exploring the great depths, this camera has you covered. Optical zoom. With a 4x optical zoom, you can capture those distant subjects up close without compromising on image quality. It's great for wildlife shots or getting that perfect vlogging angle. High-quality imaging. Equipped with a 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, the WPZ2 delivers stunningly detailed images even in challenging conditions. No more worrying about losing image quality when editing your photos. Shockproof. This camera can handle the rough and tumble of your adventures with its 2-meter shockproof rating. It's designed to endure the bumps and bruises of rigorous activities. Dustproof. The WPZ2 is not only waterproof but also dustproof. It keeps your camera's internals clean, ensuring you get clear and crisp shots even in sandy or dusty environments. Full HD video. Capture your memories in 1080p Full HD video. It's the perfect tool for vlogging, documenting your travels, or creating engaging content. Wi-Fi connectivity. Stay connected with easy Wi-Fi connectivity. You can wirelessly transfer your best shots to your smart device and share them with friends, family, and the world on the go. Now, let's see what's included in the box when you purchase the KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2. And, of course, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users have reported issues with image quality in certain conditions. The camera can have a slight delay between shots. It may not be suitable for professional photographers but is perfect for hobbyists and adventurers. In conclusion, the KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 is an excellent choice if you're looking for a waterproof camera with optical zoom that won't break the bank. It's perfect for adventurers, vloggers, and hobby photographers who want durability without sacrificing image quality. That's it for today's review of the KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this camera, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.